characteristic that to me defines a successful behavior-based safety process is to look for system factors to both understand and improve behaviors. That is, a safety culture is comprised of three components. Person factors, which are knowledge, skills, and abilities, the things that people bring with them to the situation. Environmental factors, which include the physical environment, the tools, the equipment, the machines, and the actual physical circumstance that we place people in. And then a softer side of the environment we'll talk about separately is the management systems and behavior. And what we have understood through 100 years of behavioral science is that the personal factors and the environmental factors are going to determine what people do. And the system is going to produce exactly what it's intended to produce. So, if we are trying to understand why somebody is struggling to perform in a safe manner, the first thing that we have to do is rule out a systemic issue, because if we don't, then we might be treating a symptom rather than the problem itself. Now, with the safety glass example that we were talking about, we might find that people don't know that they need to use the safety glasses, or the crew that is struggling to use their safety glasses believes that it's optional rather than a requirement. Knowledge would take care of that problem, and that would be addressing things around the person factors. On the other hand, we might find that they know that they should be using their safety glasses, and they want to use their safety glasses, but the safety glasses that we are providing maybe produce some kind of obstruction to their vision that creates the potential for another type of injury that they think is greater than the potential for the eye injury. In that case, we need to make an adjustment to the environment in the form of the type of resource that we provide to them. Now, if we can rule both the person factors and the environmental factors out, it leaves one thing, and that is motivation. Now, how many of you guys think that leaders in an organization have an influence on motivating people? I see a lot of hands up there. Well, that's really true, and behavioral psychology has a lot to say about motivation, and we talk about that under this umbrella of management systems. But that leads us to the third characteristic that is definitive of effective behavior-based safety.